Hello and welcome to the Guardian Alarm instruction video. This guide will help you get started quickly. For more details, please refer to the user manual. Unboxing. Inside the Guardian Alarm System package, you'll find one alarm and one remote controller, a small screwdriver, and a plastic tool to open the alarm. 3 mounting options, a carabiner, zip ties, and security screws. Preparation. First, set up the remote controller. Remove the battery isolation tab, open the battery cover, and make sure the battery is installed. Switch the mode to sound. The remote will flash and make a beep sound. Next, open the alarm. Unscrew the 2 small screws, remove them, and keep them safe. Insert prying tool into slot. Slide to the end until one clip releases. Lift the cover from one side and remove it from the device. Check that the 3 batteries are properly installed, then switch on the power. When powered on, there will be 5 long beeps. Check pairing. Press the device button on the remote. If the alarm is paired, you'll hear a beep. If no lights respond, the alarm is not yet paired. We'll show you how in a moment. Assemble the alarm. Make sure the waterproof silicone ring is in place inside the upper cover. Align the upper and lower covers with the clips. Press the 2 parts firmly together until they click into place. Check that the seal is even and fully closed. Any gaps will compromise waterproofing. Reinsert the 2 small screws and use the supplied screwdriver to tighten the screws. Apply gentle, moderate force, do not over-tighten. Pairing a new device. Pair a new alarm before use. One remote supports up to 3 alarms, each with its own light color. Press device button on the remote to select the green light, which corresponds to the first alarm. A beep confirms it is already paired. Press device again to switch to the yellow light. No beep means the second alarm has not been paired yet. To pair, hold the device button until the yellow light flashes. This puts the remote into pairing mode. At the same time, power on the second alarm. When pairing is successful, the yellow light will remain steadily and the alarm will beep twice. Short press the right button to confirm. The alarm will beep again, completing the pairing. The remote is now connected to 2 devices. Green for the first alarm, yellow for the second, with blue still available for another new alarm. Register the product. The serial number is located at the bottom of the device. We recommend registering the product before installation. Mount alarm. Carabiner or carabiner lock. Attach the carabiner to the long slot on the alarm. Then hook it onto your item. Zip ties. The alarm has 4 mounting slots. Use at least 2 single-use zip ties to secure it properly. Thread 1 zip tie through each slot, ensuring the buzzer faces the item you are securing. Wrap the zip ties around the frame. Insert the pointed tail of each zip tie into its head loosely. Adjust the alarm's position for proper alignment. Tighten both zip ties firmly to hold the alarm in place. Finally, cut off the excess tails. Bottle cage braze-ons. If your bike has standard bottle cage holes, you can install the alarm below the cage or directly. With a bottle cage, first remove the bottle cage from your bike frame. Place a spacer between the bottle cage and the alarm. Take 1 security screw and insert it through the bottle cage, the spacer, and the alarm slot. Loosely fasten the screw into the corresponding frame hole so the pieces can still be adjusted. Repeat the same process with the second spacer and screw on the other frame hole. Adjust the position of the alarm and cage, then tighten both screws firmly with the supplied L-wrench. Without a bottle cage, insert the 2 screws through the alarm slots and loosely fasten them into the frame's holes, with the buzzer facing the frame. Adjust the alarm's position, then tighten both screws securely with the supplied L-wrench. Setting and operation. Turn on the remote controller. Switch the remote to sound. Flashing light and beep indicate it is powered on. Select an alarm. Press device button. The light color corresponds to the alarm's response beep. Set alarm tones. Short press setting button to switch alarm tones. The alarm will play the selected sound. Press again to cycle through. One option is silent mode, which only sends a wireless notification. Stop pressing to set the current sound. Press any button to turn off the siren. Adjust sensitivity. Long press the setting button and count the beeps. 1 beep is the highest sensitivity. More beeps indicate lower sensitivity. Press and hold again to cycle through. Release to confirm the current level. Activate security mode. Short press the arm disarm button to activate the alarm. You'll hear 1 beep. Long press to deactivate. The alarm responds with 2 beeps. Double press for silent activation. No beep will sound. Success is shown by 2 light flashes, failure by 2 red flashes. Important notes. Guardian Alarm must be used together with a lock. The alarm increases theft difficulty and alerts you, but does not replace a physical lock. Smart algorithm. Small shakes will not trigger the alarm. Knocks or tampering will trigger it. Alarm trigger. The first step is a notification. The remote flashes and beeps. Press any button to stop the notification. Continued tampering will trigger a full alarm. Press any button to stop the alarm. Check connection. Double press find button to check if the remote is still connected to the alarm. Flashing device light means connection is normal. Flashing red light means disconnected. Find your belongings. Short press the find button on the remote. The selected nearby alarm will beep for 15 seconds to help you locate it. Press any button to stop the alarm. Long press the find button. The alarm will sound a louder siren for 15 seconds, and its light color will indicate it is within the remote's wireless range. Remote settings. The side switch lets you choose between audible and silent notifications. In silent mode, only the light will flash, no beeps. The middle position is off. This powers down the remote to prevent accidental operation and helps conserve battery life. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit the EESENS official website or YouTube channel, or contact EESENS official support.